Your kidneys, resembling two bean-shaped organs, serve a pivotal role in your body's health. They are not just organs, they are sophisticated filtration systems that relentlessly work to remove waste products, excess water, and harmful toxins from your blood. These functions are vital for maintaining a balanced internal environment, ensuring your body operates efficiently. The kidneys also have a hand in regulating your blood pressure. This is crucial because blood pressure impacts various aspects of your health. By balancing electrolytes, your kidneys contribute to the overall stability of your body's systems. Moreover, they are integral in hormone production, influencing functions like red blood cell production and calcium metabolism. Understanding the importance of your kidneys underscores the need for their care. Unfortunately, these vital organs can be susceptible to damage from several factors. Diabetes, for instance, can be particularly harmful to kidney health. High blood pressure, often a silent health issue, can gradually impair kidney function. Infections, kidney stones, and certain medications also pose risks. These factors can compromise kidney health, leading to potential long-term consequences. Given their significance, it is imperative to prioritize kidney health. Prevention and early intervention are key in maintaining kidney function. Once damaged, the path to recovery can be challenging, making it crucial to act before it's too late. A proactive approach to kidney health involves diet. Certain foods naturally cleanse your kidneys, offering protection and support. These foods can help avert the formation of kidney stones, diminish inflammation, and shield against oxidative stress, a precursor to kidney diseases. In this video, we will explore 10 foods that are particularly beneficial for cleaning and detoxing your kidneys. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video to stay updated. 1. Cranberries. These small fruits are renowned for their urinary tract benefits. But beyond that, they are beneficial for the kidneys. Cranberries contain a unique compound, quine, which transforms into hippic acid in the body. This acid assists in flushing out excess uric acid, a common cause of kidney stones. Beyond this, cranberries are laden with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. They not only reduce inflammation but also combat oxidative stress, which can lead to kidney damage. Additionally, cranberries can prevent urinary tract infections, which are more prevalent in individuals with chronic kidney disease. These infections can exacerbate their condition. Cranberries work by inhibiting the bacteria responsible for these infections from adhering to the urinary tract walls, thereby reducing inflammation and infection risk. 2. Lemon. This citrus fruit plays a surprising role in preventing kidney stones. It contains citric acid, which can combine with calcium in the urine, impeding the growth of calcium stones, the most prevalent type of kidney stones. Lemons are also rich in vitamin C, which enhances the immune system, helping to fight off infections. Research indicates that lemonade therapy, drinking lemon juice mixed with water, can be effective in reducing the recurrence of calcium oxalate stones. 3. Seaweed. This type of algae, thriving in the sea, offers numerous health benefits. It's abundant in iodine, essential for thyroid function and metabolism. But its benefits extend to the kidneys, thanks to its antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and polysaccharides. These components can protect kidneys from damage induced by diabetes. A study revealed that rats fed seaweed showed significantly reduced kidney and liver damage from diabetes. Seaweed also contains alginates, compounds that bind with heavy metals and toxins, aiding their excretion from the body. 4. Garlic. More than just a spice for your dishes, garlic is a kidney health booster. It contains allicin, a sulfur compound that emerges when garlic is chopped or crushed. Allicin is responsible for garlic's distinct aroma and possesses antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. These properties are beneficial in protecting the kidneys from damage and infection. Studies show allicin can be advantageous in treating severe kidney diseases like chronic kidney disease. It can reduce levels of urea nitrogen and creatinine in the blood, indicating improved kidney function. Allicin also enhances antioxidant levels, protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress, a contributor to kidney diseases. 5. Grapes. Delicious and nutritious, grapes offer significant kidney benefits. They contain resveratrol, a compound found in grape seeds and skins. Resveratrol has demonstrated anti-inflammatory and antifibrotic effects, which means it can help prevent or reduce kidney damage caused by inflammation and scarring. Research published in Applied Physiology, Nutrition, and Metabolism showed that resveratrol could even reverse kidney damage caused by a high-fat diet in obese rats. Grapes also contain citric acid, which helps in preventing kidney stone formation. 6. Blueberries. These berries are not just tasty, they're also beneficial for your kidneys. Packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, blueberries protect against oxidative stress, a significant factor in chronic kidney disease. Their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to lower blood pressure are also advantageous for kidney health. 7. Watermelon. This juicy fruit is excellent for hydrating your body and aiding kidney function. Its high water content, about 92%, helps increase urine output and remove waste products from your kidneys. Watermelon also contains potassium, which balances sodium levels and prevents salt retention, a cause of swelling and increased kidney pressure. 8. Olive oil. A staple in healthy diets, olive oil aids cardiovascular health and reduces blood pressure, a significant factor in kidney disease. It contains oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid with anti-inflammatory effects, beneficial for kidney health. Olive oil's polyphenols also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 9. Cabbage. This vegetable supports kidney health with its rich content of anthocyanins and vitamin C. Anthocyanins possess strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially protecting against heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Studies have linked anthocyanin-rich diets to a reduced risk of chronic kidney disease. 10. Apples. An excellent fruit for kidney health, apples are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. They help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, inflammation, and infection. Apples also contain pectin, a soluble fiber that lowers cholesterol and blood sugar levels, both risk factors for kidney disease. In summary, these 10 foods offer natural ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys. Incorporating them into your diet can bolster kidney function and stave off many kidney problems. However, they are not a substitute for medical treatment. If you have kidney issues, consult your doctor before making dietary changes. Subscribe to the channel and share your experiences or suggestions in the comments. Thank you for watching.